Hi everyone, welcome to Pravi's Fantastic World. Today we are going to do canvas painting, but it's really different. So on Instagram, many people have been asking how to get their children to start painting on canvas. So this is something that you could use. So it's like just a canvas, but it already has the detailed drawings. We got this from the seller Asian Hobby Crafts from Amazon, and I really want to start painting.
Yeah. So how many did you get?
4. It can usually come from 1 pack or 2 packs, or you can get it in all 4.
Yes.
And we have got all the 4 ones.
Yeah.
So
and how much were they?
They were supposed to be
2,000 rupees for
but
these
we
4.
got it in a discount for 70.
Yeah. For 750 rupees.
That's much better than
Yeah.
what it actually was. So it comes with paints and a brush on the back. You could use them with the knives, but we are not going to use them because you can see the brush.
Yeah.
The brushes are very blind. Look at this
Just
one.
look at this brush. I mean, it makes no sense. What can anyone really paint with this?
It's just a brush with no end.
Yeah. Let's see which are the different designs that they have.
This
The
is
drawings.
A boy who's trying to catch butterflies. Here's a honeybee on a flower. Then we have this beautiful owl that I really love, and then this one is fish.
Yeah, and you already have the colored picture right here.
But you can just choose your own style.
Yeah, you can do whatever it is that you want. So, which one would you like to do today, Pravi?
Maybe this one, since it's very...
Yes, okay.
Now let's start. So we have opened these. The paints come very nicely.
Yeah, none of them were dry.
But the brush, I don't think we are going to use them.
Yeah.
So we have our own brushes.
Yes.
So this is the one I chose. Now we are going to start. I have my water. And now we are going to start with the paints. So you can do any art stuff. I'm going to start by the flowers.
Okay.
So,
Middle of the flower will be yellow, right?
of course it will be.
Yeah.
Also, I'm going to take a bit. I think I'll just scoop some of there. And now you can just start painting the middle of the flowers. And it's also fine if it comes out. You can just fix your mistake by painting over it or just making it bigger.
That's right.
You can do anything with paint.
Wow, it's very nice, Pravi.
Thank you.
Are you finding this easy to do?
Much easier because you don't have to like draw stuff and all.
Yeah.
For like kids who are very interested but can't do much, like draw it on the canvas, you can just do this. So it's close. And I love how they give you different patterns. Like I love this one. So I want to talk about what this actually helps with and what it's easier to do with. You should actually use a pointed brush like I am. It helps you with the little corners, like over here I'm doing. It helps you
The borders and the corners and stuff, right?
You only make a few mistakes. Like look over here. It's the only mistake I made by this pointed brush. In the middle it will be easier, but with this brush the corners are much better.
Yeah, and I think this is a nice gifting option also. to give to kids who either like painting, or if parents want to get their kids into painting?
Start painting.
Yeah.
It's a very good beginner's kit. Because a few kids, they don't really know how to paint yet.
Yeah.
On canvases, they only know how to draw and paint on the paper. So I think this is much easier for them. Much easier.
Yeah. And one thing to note is that although these are already stretched canvases, they are not really very tightly stretched. Like if I do this will kind of just go down. I don't know if you can see this. There's a little depression here, which does not happen if this is very tightly stretched. So that's something that might be a consideration. Not to so many, because this is after all for kids and just for beginners.
Now I'm going to start this. I made a bit of a mistake on this one, but I like I said in the beginning, you can always correct your mistakes with paint.
Yeah, that's the most amazing thing about art, right?
Look at this beautiful. And this paint is not sent from the package.
Yeah, these are the separate paints that we have, the flash colors. Ravi, are you liking this?
Yes, you know what this reminds me of?
Yeah.
You know what this reminds me of?
What this reminds you of? No, what does it remind you of?
I'm painting mandala.
You're finding it that relaxing.
An adult when I bet it'd be a mandala. Now we are going to leave this for drying. We are finished, and look at this.
Yeah, was it simple?
A bit hard, but it's very simple.
Yeah, so kids would also like this, right? Someone who wants to start getting into canvas
It's
painting.
a great gift for small kids, like 4 or 5-year-old kids. They would have really fun with this.
I'm sure they would.
Now it has dried, and you know what's my favorite part?
Which part?
The bee is smiling. Like no one can even see these features on a real bee.
Yeah.
I have the flowers, especially this red one. I just love this whole picture actually. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye. See you next week.